GAF Enhanced Warranties are some of the strongest warranties available in the roofing industry. The GAF System Plus Limited Warranty is one of them. You're eligible to purchase the System Plus warranty when you install qualifying GAF shingles and at least 3 qualifying GAF accessory products with a GAF Certified, Certified Plus, or Master Elite contractor. What sets the System Plus warranty apart from the GAF Roofing System Limited warranty is the extensive coverage period. This warranty includes tear-off, in addition to installation labor costs and replacement GAF products necessary to repair your roof due to covered manufacturing defects. The System Plus also includes a 50-year 100% coverage period for single-family, detached residences with architectural or designer shingles installed. Here's another bonus. All GAF enhanced warranties are eligible for a one-time transfer to the next homeowner for free, adding even more value to your home. Still have questions? Don't hesitate to discuss GAF enhanced warranty options with your contractor.